How to add Gemini to your browser. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Gemini to your browser. So let's get started. So depending on your browser version, the methods will be different. So let's say if you don't see Ask Gemini button over here, you're going to click on the three dots at the top right corner, scroll down, click on settings, and from the left side bar, you're going to click on AI innovations and you'll be able to see an option of Gemini in Chrome. So you're going to simply open that and toggle on the button. So after simply toggling on the button, you'll be able to see an Ask Gemini button appear at the top right corner. And that means that the Gemini has been activated in your Chrome. And let's say that if you don't have the option, like I don't have that option over here, you're going to click on search engine over here. And then you're going to click on manage search engines and site search. Here, you're going to scroll down and you'll be able to see your search engines. So you're going to make sure Gemini is in this list. If you're not able to find it in the list, you can scroll down and go to site search and search for Gemini in this list. But if you're not able to see it over here as well, scroll down a little bit more and under inactive shortcuts, you'll be able to see Gemini. But let's say if you're not able to see Gemini over here, so you're going to click on add here at the top right corner and simply type down the name Gemini, the shortcut of @ followed by Gemini and the URL of Gemini, and you'll be able to see it appear under the inactive shortcuts. So you're going to click on this button over here right next to Gemini that says activate, and now you'll be able to see Gemini appear right under site search. Now you can simply open a new tab and type in @Gemini, and then you're going to press this one with this sign, and then you can simply type down any question you want. For example, I'm going to type in what is the weather today. So simply type that down and then press enter. And you'll be taken over to another page where it's going to answer what is the weather today and it's going to tell you what is the weather. So all you need to do is simply open a new tab and @Gemini and ask your question.